Hello and welcome to another video on our Excel series on our YouTube channel through One-to-One IT Coaching Australia. And today we're going to learn how to manage workbooks and worksheets in Microsoft Excel. So we'll create a new workbook. So if we go to File and create a blank workbook, and comes up with the defaulted sheet. If we wanted to add another sheet, we would click on the plus icon here, and you can insert as many sheets as you like, or you can do it this way by going Insert, and then you should be able to go to Worksheet. It's not listed in my icon, so I'll just have to put it in there, and you can do this the same sort of thing. Now, if you wanted to delete the sheet, all you need to do is to right-click on the sheet and then delete that sheet. And that sheet would get rid of the one that's in the workbook. If you wanted to rename the sheet, all you need to do is to click on the sheet, right-click, and then rename the sheet. So I'll call this Test Demonstration 1. All right. Now, the other thing is what you can do is to reorder the sheets. And you can basically simply use the drag and drop method by doing that. So if I wanted to move sheet 1 into here, I should be able to do that and move it back vice versa. So it's not letting me do it. Not sure why. Yep. So you can move those to wherever you want. Now, you can actually color code the sheets by actually right-clicking on the sheet, tap color, and choose whatever you like. I'll choose this as green. And you can see here that the sheet is actually changed, or the color of the sheet is actually in a green color. Now let's go to working with views and options. The first bit is to go to View and then Page Layout. And you can change the different sorts of views you like. Go Custom Views. So Normal View and Page Layout. So you can change it to 3 different views if you like. So you can have a page break view, you can have a normal view as well. Now to zoom in and out, you've got the function here. So it's just got my thing in the way, but I'll just do that. And then go View. Again, you can zoom in to whatever suits your fancy, to 200, 100, 75, 50. It's up to you what suits your eye level. Now we've got something called freeze. We can actually freeze panes. So if we just go across to, and I can't see here, so we go across to the View tab, and then we've got something called freeze panes. So what we can do is we can keep rows and columns visible whilst the rest of the worksheet scrolls over. We can freeze the top row, and then we can freeze the bottom row. So let's see whether we can freeze the top row. You can see that a line appears, but I don't have any data in there, but I'll just put in something, 78, 22, 55, and 66. So you can see there that when you move the worksheet up and down, it freezes the particular pane. Now, what we can do also is to freeze the first column. So if we go View, Freeze Panes, and then freeze the first column, and you can see the line down the middle there. And what you can do, we should have more data there, but what happens is it freezes the column which has 78, 28, and 56. Now, let's talk about the printing options. So if we go across to File, then Print, and you can change the page setup. Excuse excuse me, into printer properties. Oh no, you can actually change, or just go into page setup, we can change it to portrait and landscape. You can adjust it to whatever size you like and actually fit everything into the one cell by clicking the fit to page. You can change the margins, header, and sheet, and change it to portrait and landscape. Now, the other one is selecting multiple sheets or printing multiple sheets. So what you can do is to hold down the Control and Windows command, where you can print, and you can click on the selected tabs that you want to print. So if I go back here, go cancel. I'm not sure if this will actually work, but Control, no, it doesn't actually work. But I'll try that again. So it's Control, Windows. It's probably not working for me. So the best thing that you probably need to go do is to go into the page setup and print it from there. For instance, if you want to print the entire workbook or print selection, you have the option there. But usually when you try and print multiple sheets, the command is Control and then Windows, but obviously it's not working, probably something to do with my keyboard. Okay, well, that just takes us out from today's video. In our next video, we are going to learn how to work with tables. So we'll learn how to format tables, and we'll also learn how to save and filter data within tables. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Remember to hit the like button on our YouTube channel and remember to subscribe. So look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye for now.